Hello superstars, make money online in Nigeria. I'm gonna teach you how to make $23.11. I even made more than that when I came over to this platform today. As you can see it up right there, so I'm gonna teach you exactly how you can make that money only if you can watch this video down to the end. So what you just have to do is to come over to moneyorder.asia.com right there. Yeah, I'm going to be leaving the link to this website down there in the description box, so just register using the link in the description box and come over here. So once you come over here to this platform, what you're going to be seeing is something like this. We're not going to be seeing your balance because you have not started making money. So what you just have to do is to click on the part where it says start making money. So once you click on it, it's going to bring you up to a place somewhere like this. So once it brings you up to somewhere like this, what you just have to do, as you can see, the number of commission which is available for me is 3. So I have 3 commission to grab for today, and it's all for free. So what I have to do is to come over here and start grabbing the commission. Okay, let me grab today's commission. Once you just submit the order, the money is now going to reflect in your main account. As you can see, before it was at 0 right here, but now it's showing you that I have completed 1 order and I have 2 more orders to go, because each day you will have 3 orders to complete. I don't want to bore you with other orders. What you just have to do is to come over here, register on this platform, start performing and taking your order. Then once you have reached the minimum threshold, which is $200 to withdraw, you will come over to the withdrawing section, which I'm going to show you shortly. Okay, so you're going to come over to the withdrawing section, which is this other part where it says withdraw. So once you reach $200, just come over here and withdraw. Then if you want to recharge it, you recharge. You want to invite your friends, once you invite your friends, you're going to get a commission. So just click on this side if you want to find your referral link to invite your friend, and this is easily how to make more than that a day. So I hope this video helped. Please subscribe to this channel if you haven't, like this video if you haven't, and if you have any question, leave it down in the comment section. If you reach down to this point in this video, leave a comment. My channel will be successful. And that's all for this video. I'll see you next time.